The 2025 Honda City is here, and it's got some serious surprises up its sleeve. Whether you love sleek design, cutting-edge tech, or just a car that makes daily drives exciting, this new City is a must-see. But what exactly makes it so special? Stick around because we're breaking down 10 jaw-dropping features that will make you want to book a test drive ASAP. The 2025 Honda City gets a bolder look with a redesigned grille, sleeker LED headlights, and a sportier stance. Imagine pulling up to a traffic light, and the car next to you can't help but steal a glance. Yep, that's the new City's effect. Honda has introduced a 1.5L turbocharged engine, giving you more power and efficiency. It's like having a morning coffee that actually works. Whether you're overtaking on the highway or zipping through city streets, you'll feel the difference instantly. With Honda's latest hybrid tech, the new City delivers up to 25 km/L. Picture this. You're planning a weekend getaway, and while your friends are constantly looking for gas stations, you're just cruising past, smiling at their fuel bills. The premium leather seats, ambient lighting, and a spacious interior make this City feel more like a high-end lounge than a sedan. Long drives suddenly become comfy Netflix binge sessions, minus the screen, of course. A new 10-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ensures you stay connected. Imagine hopping in and your favorite playlist starts playing without fumbling with wires. It's the little joys that make a big difference. Lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and collision mitigation make sure you drive safer than ever. Think of it as having a super alert friend who gently reminds you when you're about to do something dumb, without the backseat nagging. The new electric sunroof makes every journey feel special. Picture driving on a cool evening with the stars above. It's like nature's VIP pass to your own car. No more tangled mess. Just drop your phone on the charging pad and go. Ever had your phone die just when you need a GPS? Well, that problem's history now. Need space. The new City's boot can fit everything from grocery bags to weekend luggage. Imagine going on a road trip and easily fitting in everyone's bags, without a Tetris challenge. With all these upgrades, you'd expect a sky-high price. But Honda keeps it competitive, making sure you get luxury, tech, and performance without burning a hole in your wallet. Now, that's smart shopping. So, which of these features impressed you the most? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Honda City, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon, because we've got more exciting car content coming your way. Automobile dashing away.